Hop into the 2023 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. The Chevrolet Silverado 1500, the full-size pickup that's strong, quiet, and dependable, with the latest technology to keep you connected while you get the job done. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, wireless charging station, pre-collision system, heated driver's seat, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, premium sound system, satellite radio, bed liner. Everyone loves the strong, silent type. Make a date with a Silverado 1500.